Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can cartoonize any image on Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you have to create a blank page according to your need. For example, I have opened a Instagram theme page. Now you have to choose your pic. So let's add your pic from this one. Okay, let's add this pic. Now here you can see this apps option. Tap onto apps and from there you have to type in cartoonize or cartoonify, then choose it, and from there we can tap onto this and you have open it. So now you can change your image. As you can see, cartoonifying my image. Now this image will be cartoonified. That means the image will be turned into an animated image. As you can see, this may take a few seconds. Wait until it completes. And there we go, the image has been cartoonified very easily. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. And if you want to upload it, you can just tap on to share and then you can download it easily. See you on another video.